What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra can turn out to be very strange and even unique. High quality renders from reliable source. Samsung Electronics is just preparing to release a new line of flagships, Galaxy S22 line. In the meantime, details about the future innovations began to accumulate on the network regarding the new design, latest features, specs, colors, release date, and much more. Please watch the full video content. According to Hammer Stuffer, these are very early rendered showing how unique the design of the main camera on the back of a smartphone is. The rest of the smartphone is lot like the Galaxy Note 20. If the Galaxy S21 Ultra was the first model in the Galaxy S series to support the S Pen stylus, then in the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the South Korean manufacturer can go even further. In the case, there will be a hole for storing the stylus, which was previously one of the highlights of the Galaxy Note series. There is also a 6.8 inches AMOLED screen with high resolution and high refresh rate, but the exact parameters have not yet been given. A significant improvement in the camera parameters. 4 modules for shooting are mentioned, one of which is the periscope. The dimensions of the smartphone are 163.2 by 77.9 by 8.9 mm. And taking into account the protrusion of the camera, the thickness will be 10.5 mm. The new colors of the Samsung Galaxy S22 line have been announced. More affordable models Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus will be available in 4 colors, while the older model will be presented in 3 variants. Galaxy S22 will have white, black, rose gold and green color. Galaxy S22 Plus coming in white, black, rose gold and green color, while the Galaxy S22 Ultra will receive white, black and deep red. The Galaxy S22 lineup is expected to be released in early next year. Steve Hammerstoffer has a long track record of making reliable renderings of various smartphones prior to their announcement. Almost all such works by own leaks are then confirmed, so there is no reason to doubt the design of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Its leaks include the Samsung Galaxy S21, Huawei P50 Pro, Sony Xperia 1 III, Google Pixel 4 XL and more. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.